Hey guys, this is Christopher from Snow West, your pirate guide for Island Park in West Yellowstone. I've got a news alert, but I want to read this to you guys verbatim. I want to make sure I get it, so allow me to use a script. Supreme Court reins in environmental impact studies. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled yesterday that courts must defer to federal agencies on the scope of environmental impact surveys under the National Environmental Policy Act. This ruling will allow the Trump administration to push through key infrastructure projects by reining in lawsuits from extremist left-wing tree-hugging eco-fascists aimed at holding up federal environmental permitting through never-ending lawsuits in the federal court system. Commentary. This could potentially mark the beginning of a major pivot point in our fight to regain access to Yellowstone National Park for less restricted snowmobiling if we have the support of a federal agency in the rewriting of the national park policy for over-the-snow travel. It's not very often that we have some seriously good news to share on the legal front, and I wanted to make sure this news got through all the noise and made it out to my fellow sledders across this great nation for the weekend. Guys, this is potentially enormous news. This may be the first bullet in the gun we've got to shoot back at the left-wingers in freaking decades. Smile, guys. Good things are happening in D.C. for a change. Talk to you later.